Good day to our future principals. This is reviewer for NCASH 2024. I hope I will give you a tips for the upcoming examination. And our topic is DepEd Matatag Curriculum. Again, for every question, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Without further ado, let us start now. For question number 1, what is the primary focus of the DepEd curriculum? Letter A, traditional memorization techniques. Letter B, developing vocational skills only. Letter C, enhancing higher order thinking skills. Letter D, solely improving physical education. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Yes, the correct answer is letter C, enhancing higher order thinking skills. For question number 2, which pedagogical approach is emphasized in the DepEd Matatag curriculum for science education? Letter A, lecture-based learning. Letter B, inquiry-based learning. Letter C, textbook-only learning. Letter D, audio-visual learning. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B, inquiry-based learning. Before we proceed to our next question, please subscribe Bruno TV for more videos. Thank you. For question number 3, which of the following is an emphasis of the DepEd Matatag curriculum? Letter A, rote memorization. Letter B, socio-emotional skills. Letter C, standardized testing. Letter D, teacher-centered instruction. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B, socio-emotional skills. For question number 4, how does the DepEd Matatag curriculum promote the integration of technology in learning? Letter A, limited use of technology tools. Letter B, emphasis on traditional teaching methods. Letter C, integration of educational technology tools. Letter D, exclusion of technology in the classroom. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, Integration of educational technology tools. For question number 5, which subjects are included in the DepEd Matatag curriculum? Letter A, core academic subjects only. Letter B, arts and culture education only. Letter C, physical education and health only. Letter D, all of the above. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D, all of the above. For question number 6, what is the role of assessment in the DepEd Matatag curriculum? Letter A, to rank and sort learners. Letter B, to measure rote memorization skills. Letter C, to provide feedback for learning environment. Letter D, to determine the teacher's performance. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, to provide feedback for learning environment. For question number 7, how does the DepEd Matatag curriculum promote active learning? Letter A, through passive listening activities. Letter B, through teacher-centered instruction. Letter C, through project-based learning and collaboration. Letter D, through independent study and isolation. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, through project-based learning and collaboration. How does the DepEd Matatag curriculum support the development of critical thinking skills? Letter A, through memorization-based assessments. Letter B, through problem-solving and inquiry-based learning. Letter C, by focusing on rote memorization. Letter D, through standardized testing only. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B, through problem solving and inquiry-based learning. For question number 9, the DepEd Matatag curriculum values and incorporates which aspect of Filipino learners? Letter A, global competitiveness. Letter B, foreign language acquisition. Letter C, Philippine culture, history, and heritage. Letter D, local context and culture. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C. Philippine culture, history, and heritage. For question number 10, how does the DepEd Matatag curriculum encourage learners' involvement in the community? Letter A, through community service and outreach programs. Letter B, through competitive sports activities only. Letter C, through academic competitions only. Letter D, through individual study and isolation. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Yes, the correct answer is letter A, through community service and outreach program.